Last time on Northbound.
I made it to PEI. I got my buddy, Island ADB. We're gonna go ride.
We make it to camp tonight without getting lost. It will be an absolute miracle. Oh yes sir, there you go. Brake, brake, brake. Good.
I am.
Oh my god.
We did it.
Look at that machine working.
Oh!
It's great, ridiculous.
It's ridiculous, yep. All right.
Oh wow, man. You made me look like a chump. You did.
No, I'm going to tell you how stable this bike is. It's amazing. All right. Oh.
Well done, man.
All
put
right.
on a clinic.
You're good.
A little bit more steepy, boy, here, but
Yeah.
right line is bad this time, so left is good, even though it tells you to stay right.
Okay. Yeah. Good riding, good riding. Oh, great. I realized I was in neutral the whole time on that.
Hey man, whatever works.
Whatever works. Okay.
A little bit more work down here, but this is easy compared to what we...
Alright. Fair enough.
Awesome. A little bit of a drop off here.
I see it, I see it. Nice, nice. Oh yeah, it's a little bit of...
Nice.
Oh yeah. Good ride, man.
Nice work. Let's just post up here for a second.
Yep. Good. Let's switch batteries, if you don't mind.
Well done, buddy. Give me the fist bump here.
Hold on, okay. 1 sec. Well, I would be hanging.
Well
there we
done,
go.
man.
Let's do it.
So I think the play now is to make for camp. We got about a little more than an hour left. So that'll give us enough time to get into town, get some supplies, air quotes, and then make for Brackley Bay. And that is a good campsite. So, full disclosure, this is the only other bike I've ever ridden in my life besides Silver Fox. Jesus, how does half of this work?
So, all right, we'll just leave it in standard mode. It's just street mode. Yeah. So what I'd like to do on this one is just exactly.
Jesus. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Kickstand is a little weird, so it's way up there. Okay. Now starter is way up here.
All right.
So flip it back. Wait until it goes through the entire sweep and down, and then this is your starter button.
Do you have a heated seat on right now?
My
No.
ass is hot.
Okay, I was gonna say.
So yeah, just hit this button right here. The big. Nope. Yeah, that one.
With the clutch in, right?
Wait. Nope. No, you don't have to. Well, you can, but just.
Jesus.
Motorcycle, right?
Yeah. Signal lights.
Yep, that's it. Lights are on.
Afterburners. Holy smokes, folks! We're gonna be foxy and enjoy it. That bike is it's like a Volkswagen. I don't know, man. Holy. Oh yeah. Okay. Let me just get a little bit of a feel for old Mr. Clutch here.
So we are trading bikes here.
I'd say we are. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Man, you look cool on that bike. I'm just saying.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I feel so smooth. All right, Island Riders. This is the first time I've ever ridden a bike other than the Silver Fox. Foxy, you treat Andy good.
All right, well, let's try. This is my first KLR ride,
Really?
to be honest with you. Yeah, I've never been on a KLR. No, that's not true. I lied. I have to. But that was 98. My old motorcycle. So, yeah. Man, you're looking sharp.
Oh, I'm like holding it down. It's so sensitive. It's like, why is it revving? And
Yeah.
I'm like leaning on it. Oh my God, it's so smooth.
It's really smooth, right?
It's beautiful. Wow. It's so weird to see Fox in the mirror. Wow, this is so cool. This is just the coolest feeling bike. It's incredible, man. This is incredible. Oh, you don't even feel like you're on a bike. It feels like I'm riding, like, I don't know what it just feels so dang good. Thanks for letting me take her for a tiny rip here. Oh, there's a cop waiting for me. He knows what I'm up to tonight. Oh, the blip is not so good. All right. So our turn is up here to the left, or just got a big old place. Oh, it feels so good, man. Like, you downshift and it's just like, okay. Sorry if I'm riding like a granny here, man, but I'm super paranoid of like
It's all good.
hurting
No,
this
it's all good.
magnificent machine.
Well, like I said, you're looking
Thank you.
sharp. Oh yeah, the bike. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, it drops down at a stop.
Ah,
So you might not notice it, but it pumps back up on the ride, and then when you stop, it drops about an inch and a half, I think. Yeah. So short people like me, not like you, getting flat.
I'm assuming you want full.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't
Okay.
maght what side. What about
Oh,
yours?
it's all good, man. Just pull her
Okay.
anywhere.
All right. That's good.
And we're off.
Cool. All right.
What a cool machine! Where's the kickstand? It's in the front. There it is.
Yeah, it's
There
hard
you
to
go.
find.
Weird. It lowers.
Yeah.
It lowers
Yeah.
itself.
You noticed that, right?
What is this thing?
Now what I got to do is this. Oh, I got to put it on a center stand to fill up.
Oh,
though.
really?
Yeah, so I can be
Oh,
equal.
I suppose. Yes. Here's your key back, man. Thanks for the ride.
Thank you, sir. All right, I hope you like
This
it.
is so cool.
I know,
I
it's like a
can't
little
afford
ride.
to ride that bike anymore, though.
Yeah.
Very awesome. 2,800 kilometers, did you say?
Yep, that's the distance I rode.
Whoa. That's a ride. All right. Straight through these lights, my dude.
Nice. I'm following you.
So we are headed up to our spot where we were up at when we did the Moto Fishing Series, where we did our fishing trip this year. So I'm excited to show Andy that, because it's probably my #1 camp spot on the island, 100%. Now, I will say this, it's owned by my buddy Everton, so its location will be undisclosed.
All right.
Oh yeah, man. Oh yes, Island Rider, you're all in. Next step, retire here.
Yeah.
That's how she goes, bud. Man, that sky. So, believe it or not, it's right through here. Oh, it's actually pretty cleaned up.
Looks like you better duck.
It's not much to look at, but we are here. I'm going to rotate my machine right on top of this.
I'm coming.
Welcome to the site, my dude.
Dude, this is awesome, but it's hard to get my kickstand down.
Is it? There you go, sweet spot found. Might have to do a little site cleanup here, but we'll get her going.
Thanks for great riding today, man.
Oh my God, buddy.
Dude, that's awesome.
I'm so glad to offer a little bit of Prince Edward Island for you. All right, so we made it to the spot. You guys know this spot. You've seen it, but it's actually way more grown in than I thought it would be. The sweet spot for hammocks is down that way, my dude. I think what I'll do is I'll get the old machete out and clean up the fire pit, and I'll try to get us a fire going.
Okay, so this is where we're, only 12 hours of riding, whatever. All right, so let's go check out the beach. Wow, look at this path. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Wow, this is an awesome spot. Guys, this is pretty awesome. Beach is awesome. We're gonna do a little camp cleanup, site cleanup, and get everything hooked up for the night. Sounds like we got some baby birds. Something.
Really? There was a nest here last.
Was there? Look at this. Come on. You got it. No whammy.
I mean, houses burn down. This is what I think. Like houses burn down, why can't I have a campfire? Someone loses their whole life.
Yeah.